Borithi nĩ maikirie mũrutwo ũcio ngono na mamũtwara ceceni ya borithi ya Central. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa gĩkundi kĩmwe kĩa matatũ mwena wa Araneti, David Ndegwa, nĩ aratarĩria ũrĩa mũrutwo ũyũ ahithũkirio.
Asubuhi kuna vijana wamekuja wakashuka kwa gari pale karibu kwetu kwa railway na pako na choo hapo. So nikapewa information hao watoto kuna vitu wananunua hapo nyuma. Nikatoka nikaweza kukamata huyu jamaa mmoja, lakini walikuwa wengi, wengine alikuwa ametumwa na hao wengine. So wengine wame take off, wamepotea. Huyu ndio tumeweza kushika.
OCPD wa Naikuru Joshua Mukata augĩte atĩ mwanake ũcio nĩ arahũngwo mahũri nĩguo atarĩrie kũrĩa ararutĩte bangi na heane marĩtwa ma anake arĩa mauma nao no methara.
We got information from members of the public. The boy was being suspected being in possession of bank. We got into action and the boy was arrested here with us. We are interrogating the boy. We've had the recovery of what was alleged.